Hello there and welcome to this video tour of a 72-year-old sauna tucked away in Aylesford, Kent. And it's not just any sauna, but one brought over from Finland specifically for the 1948 Olympic Games in London and then relocated to the sports grounds of Reed Paper Mills, where it's remained in operation by Coptown Sports and Social Club until present day. Let's go through. Turning left into a spacious changing room, your attention is immediately drawn into two original massage tables which signal that muscle recovery and athletic performance went hand in hand with relaxation here. The space just oozes history, like the scale that only speaks in imperial units. And look at this original period decoration and wall-to-wall wooden paneling. There are enough hooks and hangers for 40 people to hang their belongings. It's Halloween time, which means issues with electrics. Someone must stay at the fuse box and keep a finger on the right switch for the duration of this tour. The pictures laid down here are usually hung up on the back wall. They capture historic moments with visiting dignitaries, athletes associated with Reed Paper Mills, and correspondence with the Finnish Olympic Committee. Going back through the hallway, there's a toilet on the left, pretty standard. The next door leads into the kitchen and the fuse box, where a conversation is taking place. The fire hose on the right is out of date. Stepping into the washing room, we see a not-so-standard foot bath and two showers, one warm and one cold, which originally had 3 heads to cool you down from brow to toe. Back in the day, this was also where a sauna attendant wearing a white coat and a velvet collar would look after patrons, pour oils into foot baths, prepare birch whisks by soaking them in warm water, and offer cups of tea for bathers' refreshment. Finally, we've arrived at the inner sanctum of any sauna bath, the hot room itself. Heated up to 80 to 100 degrees Celsius, the hot room easily sits at least 10 people. 4 levels of wooden benches to sit on ensure that bathers can choose the intensity of heat depending on their taste and how they feel in that moment. Most importantly, to create the essential sauna sensation, any of the bathers can draw steam by pouring water on the heated stones. Finns call this steam löyly. This concludes our tour of the Finnish Olympic sauna in Aylesford, Kent, one of the very few landmarks remaining from the 1948 Olympic Games and a singular piece of sauna bathing and sporting history. Thank you for watching, have a good steam, and see you on the bench.